shop is busy producing the Woodpeckers one-time tool, simple set fence gauge. Let's see how they are made. Starting at a state-of-the-art CNC mill, aluminum extrusion is machined to form the body of the simple set. After milling, the parts are inspected for accuracy. Next, the brass tips are turned on a CNC lathe. And then checked for tolerance. Meanwhile, the steel rod is produced on another CNC lathe. The Woodpeckers one-time tool, simple set fence gauge, is finishing up in production and will be shipped soon. We're also working on the new extension kit available as an accessory to the simple set fence gauge. Stay linked for more production updates.